Welcome back to a new helpful video. There are 5 Italian secrets to a healthy life that can change your life. Then hit the like button and let's get started. Number 5. Eat Mediterranean food. Italians focus solely on proper nutrition, fresh meat and vegetables and homemade sauces, instead of canned cruelty laden with cream, salt and sugar. Number 4. Work less. Leisure time is taken very seriously in Italy. The average Italian spends 36 hours a week. If an employee exceeds their overtime time, the employer faces a fine. Italians also receive a blessed 4-week vacation a year. Number 3. Connect more with loved ones. By working less, you have the added benefit of being able to enjoy time with your wife, kids, friends, maybe even other people. Italians rely solely on friends and family. Number 2. Take a walk before dinner. Start by taking a passeggiata. I think pronounce is correct. I am sorry for that. What Italians call a daily walk before dinner. It's a break between work and play, a chance to meet friends and neighbors. Number 1. Create healthy relationships over dinner. Italian life is about fun, not excess. To do this, most Italians unscrew a bottle of wine and enjoy a glass or two with dinner. For more amazing tips on how to live smarter, look better, feel younger and play harder. What do you think about Italian healthy living secrets? Comment your ideas below. Subscribe for more cool updates.